take that kadai. Add salt, turmeric, add water, so after 5 minutes, so look, you can see the prawns are releasing the water. The prawns are releasing the water. So now we have to cook until the whole water is evaporated. So it will take around 15 minutes. So I'll shift this to the another flame and I'll show the small masala. Now half tablespoon of jeera, 2 tablespoon of dhania, 1/4 tablespoon of sajeera, 10 cloves, 1 tablespoon of peppercorns, 2 inches of cinnamon stick and 10 green ilachi, bay leaf. Red chilies, spices are roasted. Now let it cool completely. Masala was ready. Now the total water was evaporated. Now keep this aside and take another kadai. Add oil. The oil was hot, so let's add onions. Fry the onions until they are golden color. Now you can see the onions have changed its color. Add ginger garlic paste. Add curry leaf, green chilies, add turmeric, salt, red chili powder, prepared masala. So now add boiled prawns. And cook in low flame for 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, the curry was completed. Let's off the flame. Prawns masala recipe over.